This video is the Equity Pledge, the commitments you must make as a team as you're establishing the bar. Between the goalposts, you see the 4 criteria for establishing essential learning outcomes. So let's get to the pledge, the reminders. 1, the bar doesn't move. There's just one bar. There's not a bar for poor white kids or poor black kids or poor brown kids. There's not a bar for the kids that don't speak the King's English. There's not a bar for kids with IEPs. There's just one bar, and it doesn't move. The bar is not to be interpreted as minimal expectations. They are the essentials. It's not all we're going to teach kids, but these are the ones we have to guarantee they master. The bar has to be based on where students must go, not necessarily where they're from. And this is probably leaning more toward schools that are dealing with adversity and impact, schools that I refer to as that school. Oftentimes, when you have a population of students with significant learning gaps, the temptation is to weaken the bar. But the bar that your kids must reach has to be the same as the bar for the kids across town. The bar is made up of the learning outcomes all students must master. There are plenty of targets that we hope they get, we wish they get, but these are the ones we must guarantee. Life does not level down. We have to look for leveraging points, finding those targets that'll give us bang for the buck in other content areas. But life does not level down, and so dumbing it down for kids only creates a population of victims. And the last reminder is this, that regarding essentials, the only question we ask is how will we get every student there? Even in the midst of frustration, hitting a wall, not sure what to do next, you have to have this mindset where your backs are to the wall. And the only question is how will we get them there? There is no can they or can't they with the bar. There's only this question.